President Trump was in the residence at the time but was not threatened, the Secret Service said. The men and women of the Secret Service are extremely disappointed and angry in how the events of March 10 transpired, said a statement from the Secret Service Friday. The agency said it had conducted 50 interviews and reviewed radio transmissions and videotape in its investigation. That the intruder evaded detection for so long, first reported by CNN, is the latest embarrassing breach for the security service that has been beset by a series of security failures over the last few years. In 2014, a man who jumped the north fence of the White House made it into several rooms of the residence before being apprehended. The revelation also came the same day that the Secret Service also disclosed that a thief had stolen an agency laptop containing classified plans for Trump Tower and materials about the Hillary Clinton email investigation, along with lapel pins identifying agents responsible for protecting Trump, Clinton, and Pope Francis. The Washington Metropolitan Police Department has identified the man in last week's incident as Jonathan Tran, 26, of Milpitas, California. He's been charged with entering or remaining in restricted grounds while using or carrying a dangerous weapon.